Guys, you didn't. Oh, I thought you're cooking your mouse. Are you cooking your mouse? Say mouse. Can you say mouse? Mouse. You wanna go outside? It's so nice outside. We should go outside. It's really yeah. We should go outside. I know. Yesterday we were inside because it's raining. Come on, let's go outside. You wanna go outside? Jade, you wanna go outside now? I know we're going to see you now. How's the school? Can you tell me something or what? Yan muna, kainin na niya lahat. You eat now. Oh, dumay kami, sanak. You wanna go now outside? Oh, that's your Amazon Prime. What is it? Oh, my tummy hurts. I ate too much. Oh, whoa, what is it? Oh, there's a shell. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, you wanna go walk outside now? Let's go walk outside. Daddy's outside. You wanna go see dad? Come on. Hindi pa, tanong mo muna. Hindi pa tanong. Ini, Hinihintay ka niya. Hindi na ba siya? Sabi ko mag-ano ng ano, hearing aid, pa-check up. Wala siyang ano, insurance. Kung doon sa isa. Kailangan doon sa isa. Doon na lang. Idali na lang ni Lolo. Ha? Anong di niya mind? Ika-hearing aid lang naman. Okay. Okay, wait. Dali na lang doon sa ano. Sinong hindi niya maintindihan? Alam naman, i-instruction naman.